Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share Chemistry ECET 2024 Model Paper 2. First question, the electronic configuration of copper is option A 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 4s2, 3d9. Option B 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10 and 4s1. Option C 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 4s2, 4p6, 5s2, 5p1. Option D 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 4p6, 3d3. The atomic number of copper is 29 and hence its configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d10. Hence the right option is B. The atomic number of an element with maximum number of electrons in the valence shell is option A 6, B 8, C 2, D 4. So let us write the configuration. If the atomic number is 6, its configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So 4 electrons are present in the valence shell. Coming to option B, it is 8. That means 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Hence 6 electrons are present in the valence shell. 2 means 1s2. 2 electrons are present in the valence shell. 4 means 1s2, 2s2. Only 2 electrons are present in the valence shell. Hence the right answer is option B 8. Electrons occupy the available subshell which has lower n plus 1 value is called A. Hund's rule, B. Aufbau principle, C. Heisenberg's principle, D. Pauli's principle. The electrons are filled in the subshells according to lower energy, that is n plus L value is called as Aufbau's principle. So option B is the right answer. Which of the following contains a coordination covalent bond? A. Barium chloride, B. Hydrogen, C. Hydrogen chloride, D. Hydronium ion. Option D is the right answer. Hydronium ion contains coordination covalent bond. Calculate the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4. Option A 1, B 6, C 7 and D 3. So while calculating oxidation number, here KMnO4 is given. So the total oxidation state of this compound is equal to 0. Oxidation number of potassium is 1. Manganese we have to calculate plus 4 oxygen atoms are present. Each oxygen atom carries -2 charge. So X minus 7 equal to 0. So X equal to 7. The oxidation number of manganese is 7. Hence the right option is option C. In lyophilic solutions, the interactions between the dispersed phase and dispersed medium, that is between solute and the solvent, A. more, B. less, C. medium and D. none. In general, the interaction between the solute and solvent in the case of lyophilic solutions is more. So option A is the right answer. The atomic weight of a metal is 27 and its equivalent weight is 9. The formula of its chloride is, here the atomic weight of the metal is given as 27 and its equivalent weight is 9 and hence its valency is 3 and the valency of chloride is 1. So MCl3 is the formula of its chloride. Hence option D is the right answer. An example of solid solutions is, solid solutions means both solute and solvent are present in the solid state. A. Amalgam, B. Brass, C. sodium in ammonia, D. dust in air. So amalgam means here one of the metal is mercury, which is present in the liquid state. Coming to the brass, it is an alloy. So alloy means solid is dissolved in solid. Hence option B is the right answer. Example of acidic buffer solution is A. Acetic acid plus sodium hydroxide, B. Acetic acid plus sodium acetate, C. Sodium hydroxide plus sodium acetate, D. HCl plus NaCl. Generally, acidic buffer solution is prepared from the weak acid. So we have to compare A and B. And always weak acid is added to its salt prepared from strong base, and hence option B, acetic acid and sodium acetate, is the right answer. The conjugate acid of HPO4 minus is A. H2PO4 minus, B. PO3 minus 3, C. H3PO4, D. H3PO3. So while writing conjugate acid of any substance, you just add a proton. Then it becomes H2PO4 minus. Hence option A is the right answer. Which metal will dissolve in the galvanic cell? Copper, Cu plus 2 ions, Ag plus and Ag. So it is a galvanic cell. Copper acts as anode, whereas silver acts as the cathode. So generally the metal which acts as anode will dissolve. Hence option A, copper, is the right answer. Which of the following does not take place at cathode? Fe2 Fe plus 3 plus electron, 2H plus gives rise to H2 minus 2 electrons, Cu plus 2 electrons gives copper, Ag plus gives rise to Ag minus electron. That means here this equation can be written as 2H plus 2 electrons gives rise to H2. Similarly, option D is also written as Ag plus electron gives rise to Ag. Here, what is the reaction that takes place at cathode? That is reduction. Reduction means it involves gain of electrons. Here B, C, D, all the three equations involves gain of electrons. Hence option A, it will not take place at cathode. In electrolysis of aqueous NaCl solution, the products at cathode and anode are A. NaCl2, B. H2Cl2, C. NaO2, D. Cl2O2. So if it is aqueous NaCl solution, here chlorine gas will be liberated at the anode. Coming to the metal or the gas which is liberated at the cathode, if the metal is other than noble metal, in the case of aqueous solution, hydrogen gas will be evolved. Hence option B is the right answer. The standard electrode potential of zinc is given as minus 0.762 and that of copper is plus 0.337. The EMF of galvanic cell is, here zinc is behaving as anode and the copper is behaving as cathode. EMF of the cell can be calculated as E cathode minus E anode. Hence 0.337 minus of 0.762 and hence it is equal to plus 1.099 volt. Hence option B is the right answer. Temporary hardness of water is due to A. Magnesium carbonate, B. Calcium carbonate, C. Magnesium bicarbonate and D. Calcium sulfate. Temporary hardness is also known as carbonate hardness and it is due to magnesium bicarbonate and calcium bicarbonate. Hence option C is the right answer. The flow of solvent molecules into solution from low concentration to high concentration is called. That means from dilute solution to concentrated solution. A. Reverse osmosis. B. Coagulation. C. Osmosis. D. Sedimentation. So, the flow of solvent molecules from dilute solution to the concentrated solution is called as osmosis. Hence, option C is the right answer. 1 liter of water found to contain 2.72 gram of calcium sulfate. Express its hardness. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. So, while calculating the hardness, always hardness should be expressed in terms of calcium carbonate equivalents, and the formula is hardness is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 100. Here the weight of calcium sulfate is 2.72. Its gram molecular weight is 136 into 100, and that is equal to 2. So option B is the right answer. The formula of rust. A. FeO. B. FeO3. C. Fe2O3xH2O. D. FeCl3. Rust is called as hydrated ferric oxide. Hence option C is the right answer. Sacrificial anode for iron is A. Aluminium. B. Tin. C. Gold. And D. Silver. Here the base metal is iron. Hence the metal above iron will act as anode. So from these examples it is very clear that aluminium is present above to iron in electrochemical series, and hence option A, aluminium, is the right answer. Most commonly used vulcanizing agent is A. Graphite. B. Carbon black. C. Sulfur. D. Dry ice. Sulfur is the right answer. Bunyl S is a copolymer of A. Vinyl chloride plus vinyl alcohol. B. Butadiene plus acrylonitrile. C. Butadiene plus styrene. D. Butadiene plus ethylene. Here the right option is C, that is butadiene plus styrene. Fluorine atoms are present in A. PVC. B. Nylon. C. Teflon. D. Styrene. So PVC structure is CH2 single bond CHCl N times. Nylon means it consists of amide group. Teflon means CF2 single bond CF2 N times. Styrene means CH2 double bond CH benzene nucleus. Hence Teflon contains fluorine atoms. So option C is the right answer. Octane number of N-heptane is A. 0, B. 100, C. 80, D. 50. So octane number is used to measure the efficiency of petrol. Especially the branched hydrocarbons will have high octane number. Coming to the straight chain hydrocarbons, its octane number is 0. So option A, 0, is the right answer. In the following secondary pollutant, A. Carbon monoxide. B. Sulfur dioxide. C. Chlorine. D. Pan. Option D, pan, is the secondary pollutant. Ozone gas contained in which region of atmosphere? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. And D. Thermosphere. Ozone is present in stratosphere. Hence option B is the right answer. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.